Hello, welcome back to my channel. So pack my hospital bag with me. So I'll be packing my hospital bag on this video, and if you're just coming across my video for the very first time, welcome to my channel. And if you have been a long time subscriber, welcome. So this is my baby's bag while this is mine. So we'll be packing every little thing, every tiny thing that I need for my baby's birth. So I'm from Nigeria. I'm recording this video from Nigeria, and you know how we do it right here. The hospital is going to give you the list of things that is needed for the birth of your child. The list comes in two parts, which is delivery items, that's for you and your baby, and hospital items. So we're going to be packing my baby's one first before we move over to mine, before we move over to the hospital items. So right here I'll be packing in the things that are necessary for my baby, even though they might not list the things that I'm going to be putting right here on the list, but I'll put the things they need and add extra in there. Firstly, I'll be packing in this baby clothes, and this clothes is what my baby will be wearing on the day of his birth. Yes, you must have watched my gender reveal video, and you must have watched the things that I got for my baby. And if you have not done that, I'll be putting it in the description. I will be linking them, the videos, in the description box, or any card right here. I'll put it there. So I'll be putting in this baby's overall in here first. So the next thing is another overall, and again I'll be putting in two caps. So this already comes with a cap. I'll be putting in another overall. So I have a total of 3 overalls in here. So I'll be adding this swaddle for my baby. Yeah. I'll be adding this too. So my baby is gonna be using that to wear this overall we have here. So I have 2 extra of that, and these ones are sleeveless. So I'll be adding them to here. So I have 3 of these, and I have 2 caps, and I'm taking this beep with this hand towel. So I won't be bathing my baby for about 1 week. That's why you've not seen me adding any sponge or soap or whatever in here. So another thing I'll be adding is my baby's anti-colic feeding bottle and this Mamia wipes. I'll also be adding this 2 stockings. Yeah, so the extra overall, I'll be using this. It doesn't even need a stockings. I don't think he'll be needing a stockings. I have 1 blanket here. So I'm only adding the stockings because it is written on the list, not like it's needed. The next thing I have here is, should in case I am not lactating yet, I will be adding this cow and gate first infant milk from birth. I might not be giving my baby this, but I'll just take it. The next is this cup. I have this Breeze nappy bags, and I have this pseudo cream. The next is this cholesterol collector for the very first breast milk that I will be producing. I'll be using this to feed my baby, and I have this for my baby's medication, should in case it's needed. And I have this hand sanitizer should in case I have anybody visiting the hospital before I come back home. So I'll be taking this with me, very important. I'll be putting it right here. The next is this breast pump. Yes, so I'll be adding it in here, and I have this spoon. I don't think I'll be needing it, but I'll definitely be taking it because of this milk that is here. So I'll be taking few of these diapers. So I'll definitely be taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just to be on the safe side. So I am done packing the baby's bag, and this is how it looks like. I will then zip this. I'm done with the baby's bag, so I'll take it down. Moving over to mine. Honestly, the first on the list will definitely be this bed sheets. I will be taking this bed sheets with me, and it has 1 pillowcase in it. I'll be taking 4 wrappers with me also. And for the baby's birth, I'll be making use of this Pure Baby disposable bed mats. Yes, so the hospital, I think the hospital needs about 3, but I will be going with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In case I need on my bed where I'll be lying down after birth, so I don't get to stain the bed. So I'll be taking this 5 disposable bed mats. Again, is that I'll be going with this nipple cream. So I have this nursing bra. I have more in here, and I have my underwear in here. So I'll just be adding it in here. So for the pads, I'll be making use of this 3. The hospital requested for 3, but I will also be going with this, and this is how it looks like. This is how this pad looks like. It looks like Pampers. So I'll be going in with this. So I'll be taking about I'll be taking 4. I think 4 should be okay, but if I need extra, I'll definitely take. And I have, for clothes, I have this boo boo with me, and I have this nightwear also. This can't fit in here. I will look for somewhere to add these pads, but probably inside my baby's bag. And we move over to hospital items. So the first thing is that I will be taking this Viva. It is needed. I'll be taking the hypo, needed also. Taking this mucus extractor. I have this cotton wool. So this umbilical cord clamp and this mucus extractor with this olive oil should be inside my bags. I have this big jumbo toilet tissue, and I have this disposable. They will be given to the hospital, so there's no need adding it here. We have this curate, and we have this spirit for the baby's navel. I am done packing, and that is all for this video. So see you guys on my birth vlog. I don't know how that is gonna come up, but I'll definitely do my best on the birth vlogs when my Prince Charming will be arriving. Yeah, so see you guys on my next video. Bye.